Today we'll take a quick tour of the Windows taskbar. The taskbar allows you to pin your favorite apps for quick access, view open applications, and manage system notifications. It consists of various components, each serving a unique purpose. On the far left, you have the widgets. The widgets are a combination of useful live feed information tools like weather, stock recommendations, sport news, and other news. Next on your taskbar is the Start button. The Start button gives you access to the Start menu, which holds all of your applications in one place for easy access. Next to the Start button is the Search feature. It allows you to find files, applications, settings, and even web results directly from your desktop. To search, click the Search box and start typing your query. You can also open the search box by pressing the Windows key plus S and start typing. Another handy feature you have on the taskbar is the task view. It lets you quickly see all running applications and create and manage virtual desktops. To open task view, click the task view button on the taskbar or press the Windows key plus tab on your keyboard. You'll see a view of all your virtual desktops. To add a new desktop, just click New Desktop. You can rearrange the desktop just by holding and dragging to a different position. You have the application area that hosts the pinned and running applications. There are different ways you can pin applications to the taskbar. For example, in the Start menu or on your desktop, right-click the application you want to pin to the taskbar. From the Context menu, select Pin to Taskbar. To unpin an application, right-click the pin icon on the taskbar, then select Unpin from Taskbar. You can also change the order of the icon on the taskbar just by holding and dragging from the current position to a different one. On the far right is the System Tree area that includes various buttons and elements. You have the Background Apps area. It lets you see and interact with apps running in the background. Then you have the Quick Settings. To open it, press Windows W on your keyboard or click the Wi-Fi or volume icon. Here you can quickly adjust the volume, brightness, change the Wi-Fi, and play with the accessibility tools. Finally, you have the calendar and notifications. Clicking this area gives you access to your calendar and system notifications. You can also open them by pressing Windows key plus N. And that's a quick tour of the taskbar. Follow for more Windows tips.